Ready to turn your manuscript into a dazzling ebook and finally share your story with the world? First, open Microsoft Word and start with a fresh, blank document. This is your digital canvas. The key to a professional ebook is using styles. In the Home tab, find the Styles gallery. Use heading 1 for chapter titles, heading 2 for subheadings, and normal for your body text. Consistency is key. Now, let's add some flair. Play with fonts and sizes within the styles to match your book's genre. Don't go overboard. Readability is paramount. Next, create a table of contents. Go to the References tab and click Table of Contents. Choose an automatic style. Word will scan your headings and generate a clickable table, making navigation easy for your readers. Every good book needs a captivating cover. Insert a blank page at the beginning of your document. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and choose your cover image. Resize and position it to fill the page. If you don't have a cover yet, consider using word shapes and text boxes to create a placeholder. Finally, time to export your masterpiece. Go to File, then Save As. In the Save As type drop-down, select either EPUB or PDF. EPUB is ideal for reflowable text, which adapts to different screen sizes. PDF is better for preserving the exact layout. Choose the one that suits your book best. And that's it. You've successfully created an ebook using Microsoft Word. Now get out there and self-publish. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more writing and publishing tips.